Hi friends, welcome to Legal Travel. Today I will discuss about such a topic which is important for law students as well as it is an important topic for government service exams and UPSC also. So, let's enjoy the video. When we need legal assistance, we consult with legal practitioners. Same as when our country need legal assistance, the authority consult with Attorney General of India. Attorney General of India appointed by the President of India on advice of Union Cabinet according to Article 76 of Indian Constitution. He gives advice to the Government of India. He is the chief legal advisor of Indian government and a part of the Union Executive. Attorney General of India must be a person qualified to be appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court. That is, he or she must be a citizen of India and must have been a judge of some high court for 5 years or an advocate of some high court for 10 years. Salary of Attorney General of India is equivalent to Supreme Court judge, that is approx 90,000 per month. Now, what are the duties of Attorney General of India? Those are to give advice to the Government of India upon such legal matters which are referred to him by the President. Perform other legal duties assigned to him by the President and represent Government of India in any reference made by the President to the Supreme Court under Article 143 of the Indian Constitution. He shall neither advise nor hold a brief against the Government of India in cases in which he is called upon to advise the Government of India. He is prohibited to take appointment as a director in any company. He has right of audience in all courts in the territory of India. According to Article 88 of Indian Constitution, he has right to speak and take part in proceedings of either House of Parliament without a right to vote. According to Article 105 Clause 3, he is entitled to all the privileges and immunities as a Member of Parliament. Procedures and grounds for the removal of Attorney General are stated in the Constitution. He holds office during the pleasure of the President. Now I tell the gist of the topic in Bengali. এতক্ষণ যা বললাম সেটা আমি বাংলায় বলছি। আমরা আমাদের আইনি সাহায্যের জন্য আইনজীবীর কাছে যাই, তেমনি ভারত সরকার তার আইনি সাহায্যের জন্য অ্যাটর্নি জেনারেল অফ ইন্ডিয়া নিয়োগ করেন। অ্যাটর্নি জেনারেল অফ ইন্ডিয়াকে নিয়োগ করেন ভারতের রাষ্ট্রপতি বা প্রেসিডেন্ট। এনার প্রধান কাজ হলো ভারত সরকারের আইনি বিষয়ে পরামর্শ দেয়া। ইনি একমাত্র ব্যক্তি যার পার্লামেন্টের দুটি সভাতেই অংশগ্রহণ করা এবং কথা বলার অধিকার আছে, কিন্তু ভোট দেবার অধিকার নেই। Let's take a glance at the list of Attorney General of India since 1950. First Attorney General of India was M.C. Sitalvat from 1950 to 1963. Then C.K. Deftari 1963 to 1968. Niren De 1968 to 1977. S.V. Gupte 1977 to 1979. L.N. Sinha 1979 to 1983. K. Parasaran 1983 to 1989. Soli Sorabji 1989 to 1990. G. Rameswamy 1990 to 1992. Milan Kumar Banerjee 1992 to 1996. Ashok Desai 1996 to 1998. Soli Sorabji again in 1998 to 2004. Milan Kumar Banerjee again in 2004 to 2009. Gulam Isaji Bahanvati 2009 to 2014, Mukul Rohatgi 2014 to 2017, and our current Attorney General of India is K.K. Venugopal since 2017. Thank you for watching my video today, and please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.